I'm back again. I'm Dr. Neha, as you all know me. I'm a public health specialist by profession and an educator, mentor and guide by passion. So yes, I told you in my last thank you video that I'm coming up with a new motivational series of videos, particularly for you students. You students have to go through so much of stress, anxiety, for the upcoming examination, entrances, university, itna kuch hai, and on top of it with this COVID-19 pandemic that we all are caught in, there is again so much to handle. Padhai to karni hai, but at the same time you have to be extra careful about your health, your family's health. So I thought that since you students are so much under this, are so much caught up in this stress, tension, anxiety, I thought I will come up with a series of motivational videos, particularly for all of you. In this series, I would just be telling you how you should go about every day, what all you can do, if there's in any upcoming examination, what are the last minute tips and tricks that you can follow to keep yourself calm and relaxed and still stay focused. Alright, also I will be talking about how you can take care of your health and all these issues. On top of it, if there's any particular issue that you want to discuss with me, you can please DM me on my Instagram, the link is below. Also you can DM me on YouTube, the link is here, right here. You can put down on my comment section. I will definitely have a look at it, and I want to actually, it's just a talk session, and someday I would come live also and we can interact and chat and just it's like to relax all of you. When I was a student, I remember how stressful it used to be for me also. Now I'm married, I have a daughter. It's not that I'm not stressed, it's not stressful now, it is actually stressful now also, but then there was a different type of stress. Today there's a different type of stress. So I think with my experience over the years, I can tell you about how to deal with that stress. Sometimes, some years down the line, I would also be able to tell you how to deal with this stress. So yeah, when we're preparing for examinations, there are a lot of things. There are expectations of your family. There are expectations of, there is peer pressure. Some of your friends are performing well, you are not performing. You do not understand how much of time you should study, how to maintain that consistency. Consistency is very important. आज आपने 10 घंटे पढ़ाई की, कल आपने 2 ही घंटे करी. So how you can work upon the consistency, how you can stay motivated. Then I see a lot of you students telling me how many questions are there to be solved every day. How do we maintain a balance between the various subjects? Which subjects are to be prioritized for entrances? So even like up to jo first, second year MBBS students say they start worrying about the entrances which are way down. So how exactly they can from first year only stay focused towards university exam also, at the same time preparing for entrances. So these are just certain examples that we will be talking about in my motivational series, and suggestions are very open. Please DM me, please comment me, whatever you want to talk about. These will be very short sessions of max 10 minutes. इसको आप बोल सकते हो, like you tell me in my classes that ma'am, your classes are mind boosters. So similarly we can keep them as motivational boosters, as something of that sort we can design. So do let me know. Now as of today, I thought that one exam which is right across the corner is FMG examination, and I know how stressful FMG can be for students, because FMG to nikalna hi hai. Then you can think about NEET PG or any other entrance examination that you want to clear. So it's just 1 week ahead now. So I just thought today in this small video I will tell you about the last minute certain trips, certain tips, certain motivational hacks, certain strategies that you can follow to stay calm and good to get get that 150 mark. All right, so it's like 150 you have to get for your FMG. So क्या कैसे मिलेगा 150? The very first tip, students, please listen to me very carefully. Remember one thing in your mind: your preparation is done. Nobody knows more than you. None of the teachers know more than you. None of the paper setters know more than you. Okay, So yes, I was saying that this is the first tip, that nobody knows more than you. All right, none of the paper setters, none of the teachers, nobody knows more than you. So you just have to remember that you know it all. So what is my first tip? The first thing is keep revising. This, I know you have been revising, so this last 1 week, keep it for revision. Don't take up any new topic, don't take up any new chapter, just keep revising whatever you have done. So revision is the key. Last moment में revision बहुत चाहिए होता है, so just keep on revising. Alright, then the second tip. The second tip is, please, in this last 1 week, do not waste your time. Do not waste your time on any of the series that you think of watching, or into much of group studies, because sometimes in last moment of examination, when you do those group studies, more of anxiety, more of stress, more of tension arises, because और ना talks divert हो जाते हैं. In the last few days I'm talking about. So in this last 1 week, stay focused, do your own study, don't waste your time. Either you can sleep for a little while, but do not spend your time on thinking that एक episode एक series का देख लिया, पढ़ लेते हैं, फिर रात को एक देखेंगे, because that will be on the back of your mind. So second tip, don't waste your time. Okay, even when you are conversing with your friends, discuss about a topic, just discuss about a question. I'm not saying go for group studies now, I'm just saying in your free time you can discuss something or the other. Okay, then third thing, very important, eat healthy, nutritious food. All right, keep yourself hydrated, keep eating good food, keep your immunity strong right now, particularly on the exam day, which is the very special tip, which is just 1 week ahead now. Have your breakfast and go for your examination, or sit for your examination. That is very important. So eat good healthy food. Don't eat junk food right now, don't order food right now. अच्छा सा healthy food खाओ, eat fruits, drink milk, all that. Okay, so nobody tells you this is very important. Yes, along with good food, keep yourself hydrated. That's very important. While studying, continuously keep yourself hydrated. Now moving on to the fourth tip, guys. Good night sleep is so have a good night sleep, not just on the last day, 1 day before the examination. That is definitely important, but now start having a good night sleep. Keep yourself relaxed, calm. Okay, so sleep is very important. And one more tip, keep yourself relaxed, listen to motivational stuff, keep yourself motivated. Don't let your confidence drop. Think that you know it all. Like I told you, nobody knows more than you guys. So that is very important. And last tip, students, this last week, like I told you, revision to theek hai, revision bhi, practice MCQs. Keep practicing MCQs as much as you can. Don't combine, don't हर सब्जेक्ट को थोड़ा बहुत टाइम देके, whichever you find difficult more, उनके MCQs पहले दो. Last 3 to 5 years, all papers MCQs, you should have a look at all those MCQs and go for your entrances, because trust me, one way or the other, those MCQs will definitely be asked in your entrance in your FMG examination. All right, so these were the 5 tips that you should follow during this last week. On top of it, I would just say, have faith. Have faith in yourself, have faith in God, believe in yourself. Don't let anything falter your confidence, your motivation. You can do it, and you will definitely do it. All right, so this was one of the very quick series about FMG. I am also going to take out a video on revision topics for PSM. That will come out on Monday. Mostly last minute revision for PSM, what all topics you should study. Okay, yes, so keep studying, stay focused, stay calm, believe in yourself, don't let your confidence falter. You know it all. And I'll come back again. This is Motivational Sunday with me, Dr. Neha. I will be back again on next Sunday. All the very best. Any comments, put in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.